My question to Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy ji. I raised few questions in front of media through my Twitter, through my Facebook lives, in my speeches during last few days campaigning, but I could not get answer. And not only myself, the voters of Tirupati Lok Sabha constituency are seeking explanations, answers. Who is this Dr. Gurumurthy? What God he believes? What is his religion? I raised a question that I suspect that this person is not a Hindu. And if he is not a Hindu, then he is not a scheduled caste. Yesterday only Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji's Jayanti we observed. All parties went to the statues of Babasaheb Ambedkar and offered their prayers, Shraddhanjali, tributes. The same Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji was against religious convergence and especially conversion towards Christianity and Islam. And that is why, ignoring all offers made by Christian missionaries and many of the Muslim leaders, religious leaders, he did not convert Dalit people to Christianity or Islam. He converted them into Buddhism. Buddha, Mahatma Buddha, who is a great son of this country, while converting them to Buddhism, he told, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar told, that if I ask them to convert to Christianity or Islam, they will not be loyal with this motherland in future. I am not telling my views. These are the views of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. And that is why he converted all Dalits to Mahatma Gautam Buddha's Buddhism. He was the main person who gave constitution to this country, and in that constitution it is clearly mentioned, the moment a scheduled caste person gets converted to any other religion than the way of worship which come under Hindutva, the moment he loses his scheduled caste status, and he is not allowed to take any benefit of being a scheduled caste person, of being a Dalit. But Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, this law is not followed. You are backstabbing Dalits of Andhra Pradesh. You are cheating Dalits of Andhra Pradesh. You are not only cheating Dalits, you are cheating all Hindus of Andhra Pradesh. You are cheating even Christians of Andhra Pradesh. You are cheating Jesus Christ himself. And you are going against constitution. What is your home minister, Sucharita Garu, who clearly says that I am a Christian? Then how can she become MLA? You are one more MLA, Sridevi Garu. On record, she has accepted that she is a Christian and she is not a scheduled caste. Then how she could become MLA? And recently, during Easter Sunday, a photo from Facebook came to my knowledge and I tweeted that Sulurpeta MLA Sanjeevayya, a scheduled caste reserve constituency, he was carrying cross on his shoulders on the day of Easter Sunday. What is going on? What message you are giving, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu? What is your hidden agenda in Andhra Pradesh? All converted Christians who lost their scheduled caste status, they fought elections fraudulently, backstabbing constitution, and they became MLAs, they are becoming ministers, home minister, lawmakers. The one who is in charge of law and order of Andhra Pradesh is Home Minister, and she herself is a fraud. And that is why a question struck to my mind: what is the religion of Dr. Gurumurthy? As I told that I or my party, we are not at all against of being a Christian. If you are a Christian, then you can contest from any eligible seat of assembly or parliament or municipal council corporation. But you cannot contest from scheduled caste reserved seat. Even Jesus Christ will oppose, because he never said people to cheat. He was a pious person. He was a great saint. And if you believe that he was Son of God, then how you can cheat people in the name of Son of God? I will tell you why they are cheating. Because even they are not interested in this Christianity. They are misusing Christianity for their political power. They are misusing all the benefits of scheduled caste community for their political power.